Assalamualaikum, my name is AIMAN SAFWAN bin SULAIMAN. My metric number is 2022755861 and I'm from CS508 4B. Okay, this is my classes, which is Q, Stat, English, Man, Hospital Staff, Empty List, Exception, and Note. So first we look to Q. This is default constructor. This is implemented to insert the data in DQ. This is the DQ to remove the data. And try to get the first data and get the last data. This is to check whether it's empty and print method. Next is step. This is default constructor. This one is push is to insert the data, and pop is to remove the data, and pick is to get the data, and then is empty is to check whether it's empty or not, and print is the print method. Okay, next is hospital staff. Okay, this is variable and declare. This is default constructor, and this one is normal constructor. This one is setter. This one is getter, and this one is toString method. Okay, this is my main, which is this class name is main hospital staff. Okay, first I will declare the queue and stat, which is queue is staff list Q, and for stat is staff list S. And for the first of my system, the system will greeting the user, which is welcome to hospital staff system, and then I will declare the integer submit, and the system will ask the user to enter the number of staff that the user want to submit, and then the system will ask the user to enter the ID, name, department, staff salary for the staff, and it will be stored to the queue, which is a staff list queue using the enqueue, and then at the end the system will print the staff list that the user has been submit. Next is I want to calculate sum. I will do a copy to queue, but first I will create a new queue, which is a queue temp, and create a new variable, which is double total salary, and I will use a while loop, and I will create the object to get the data, and it will be the queue to staff list queue. This is to calculate total salary, and the end it will be stored to the queue temp, and the system will display the total salary for this hospital. Okay, this is average. For the average, I will declare a new variable, which is a double AVG, and this is to calculate the average, which is total salary divided by submit, which is submit is how much the stuff that has been entered from the user, and in the end the system will display the average salary for staff. Okay, next is maximum and minimum. I will do a copy to queue to stack. First I will declare a new stack, which is a staff list, and declare a new variable maximum and minimum salary. In this while loop, I will create a new object to get the data, and it will dequeue the data from queue. Okay, this is the task, and this is to get the maximum salary, and this is for to get the minimum salary. And in the end, it will be stored to stack, which is a staff list. And then the system will display the maximum salary and minimum salary for the staff in this hospital. Next is to calculate the high and low salary. Okay, I will do a copy to stack First, I will declare new stack, which is high salary and low salary. In this while loop, I will create a new object to get the data, and will pop the data from the stack. This is the case. This is for to calculate the high salary, which is if salary is above 30,000, it will be stored to high salary. Else, if below 30,000, it will be stored to low salary. And this loop is repeat until the stack is empty. Okay, next is to display high and low salary, which is we done here. And then I will do a copy to stack to queue. In this while loop, I will create a new object to get the data, and it will be pop the data from the stack, which is high salary. This is the case. The detail will be print using the toString method, and it will be stored to staff list queue, which is the queue. And lastly, the system will display the high list salary for the staff in this hospital. So for the low list salary, it will be the same from the high list. Both loop will be repeat until the stack is empty. Next is search. I will do a copy to queue to stack. This I will declare a new variable, which is boolean found equals to false, string search, and the user will need to enter the name from the list. In this while loop, I will create a new object, which is obj5. And in this loop, if s.getName equals to search variable that has been created, if it's true, the data will be print to using toString method, and will be stored to staff list s, which is the stack. If found, it will display the name of the staff. If not, staff name not found. The loop will be repeat until the queue is empty. Okay, for delete or remove, I will do a stack or to queue. First, I will declare the boolean found once equal to false, and string delete, and the user need to enter the name from the list to delete. And in this loop, I will create a new object, which is obj6. Okay, in this loop, if s.getName equals to delete variable that has been created, which is delete is the name for the user need to be delete. If it's true, it will be print to using toString method. Else, it will enqueue to staff list queue. Okay, if found, the system will display staff name has been deleted, and else, if not, staff name not found. This is for to display the current list, and in this loop, it will be repeat until the stack is empty. Okay, let's go for the output. Okay, this is the output for the staff list. The total salary for the staff, average salary, maximum and minimum salary, and high list salary, low list salary. Enter the name. So I put AIMAN. We will display ID, name, department, and salary. Enter the name to be deleted. I put AIMAN. So it will display the ID, name, department, and salary. So the staff, the name of AIMAN will be deleted. Okay, this is the current list. Okay, for the expression conversation, first we will create a function to check the operator. First, for the character plus and subtract, it will return 1, and this character and this character it will return 2, and this character it will return 3. Other than that, it will return -1. This one is to initializing empty string for result, and this one is initializing for empty step. This is for loop, and this is for to check if the chart is operated, if the character is operated, and this is to check is neither operator nor open bracket. So let's go to the output. So we put A at B star open bracket C power of D sub E close bracket. So enter, and this is for the output. Okay, that's all from me. Thank you.